has taken on a whole new look for some patients at a clinic in Naples. Thanks for staying with us for local coverage at 6:30. I'm Patrick Nolan.
And I'm Jane Monreal. Fox 4's Colton Chavez shares one man's story who says targeted magnetic stimulation is what finally loosened the grip that depression had on his life.
For James Pyatt, finding ways to treat his depression was an uphill battle.
I was incapacitated to such extent. Hygiene and eating were my primary concerns.
James says his willingness to try new types of treatment was fueled by his desperation to find help. That's when he discovered targeted magnetic stimulation.
It basically feels like somebody tapping their forefingers on the side of your head.
And it's a treatment Stephen Durand, owner of Dura Medical Clinic in Naples, has been doing for the past 2 years.
TMS is a strong magnetic coil that delivers a magnetic pulse to the left prefrontal cortex that's responsible for mood control. Now, we thought it would be good for our patients because some experience what's considered treatment resistance. And for those who either medications don't work or have side effects that they don't like, we wanted an alternative treatment for them.
Durand says each session takes around 3 minutes, and most of his patients' mental health improves after 3 or 4 weeks of treatment. And for many patients, receiving TMS 5 days a week also helps them cut down on medication.
My previous treatments have been medication. I've been on so many that I've lost count years ago. None had any positive effect, and they all had negative side effects.
The reason you can do this is because the magnetic stimulation works very much like medications by stimulating the neurons to produce those neurotransmitters.
Durand says the goal of treatment is to eventually teach the brain to stimulate those neurons on its own. And when done correctly,
I live currently a normal life with enthusiasm and energy.
Durand says targeted magnetic stimulation has been approved by the Food and Drug Administration to treat anyone 18 years and older with major depressive disorder. In Naples, I'm Colton Chavez, Fox 4.